What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol SOFI for SoFi Technologies. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. You can see that we have covered it on the channel. We've got a daily roadmap in place as well. The first thing I would point out about what's been going on here is that we are firmly breaking down out of this balance area, so we get a break, retest, fail back down out of it. And from an even more nuanced perspective, I would also point out that the activity from Friday paired with what we had today is proving that a lot of people are feeling some pain, right? This hammer candle may have suggested that there could have been some upward activity. So people, I'm assuming, were building longs in this area. Now, because we gapped underneath that and obviously made the move lower, it's proving that anyone who is long in this area is now feeling pain on their position. And if they want to close that position, they have to turn into a seller, correct? So we're starting to look at some more reasons why there may be more downward pressure inside of SoFi just based on the daily time frame. We have this 1190, and where's that coming from? Let me scrunch up the chart and illustrate where. It's really the price and volume area where the, not coin, but the company kind of went public and was listed, right? So here, that's where it really took off. Obviously, big volume day. You know, you can look into this a little bit from in the past here, but look at the volume, right? It's basically non-existent. If you did want to read into it, technically speaking, the all-time low is 1010, and that would be your target on the break of 1190, just realizing that that's the lowest possible price where someone could be holding this, aside from insiders, right? So that's what I would say about the daily time frame chart. Doesn't look great. Obviously, as we mentioned, this break, retest, and fail for lower is setting up continuation for lower. Let's take a quick look at the 30-minute, and again, on the open here, there was an attempt to get it back inside of the prior day's range. That's that upper wick here, but it immediately, like in the first hour or so of the day, turned around and rejected firmly back down underneath. So to me, there's nothing bullish about what's going on here. We'll take out the Fibonacci's from the high all the way down to the low of the first move, and by move, I'm talking about this red sell from here to here. A little bit of a dead cat bounce, but never came anywhere close to that 38.2 here, and obviously we closed with a new low on the day. So all things considered, bearish activity out there. The last thing I'll do is quickly take out the fibs from the high down to the true low, and we know that anything underneath our 38.2, which is roughly $12.43, is bear flag consolidation on the 30-minute, something that looks like this, looking for breakdowns of that $12 mark to get us to that 1010 we just mentioned earlier on in the video. After that, there's no saying how low SoFi could potentially go. I'm not really seeing a reason for a long, but if I were to start getting interested in longs, it would require the chart from the daily perspective getting at least back up above that area right there. I would probably even just start arguing today's high of day closer to 1310. If we can get above this zone here, then maybe there's a chance we pop our head back into that daily range that we pointed out, this one right here. But until that actually happens, not interested in longs inside of SoFi. That's going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it or learned anything new today, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.